Hibiscus is a genus of flowering plants in the mallow family, Malvaceae. They are native to warm, temperate, subtropical, and tropical regions throughout the world. Here are some key points about hibiscus. Varieties. There are hundreds of species of hibiscus, but the most commonly grown varieties include Hibiscus rosa-sinensis, tropical or Chinese hibiscus, Hibiscus syriacus, rose of Sharon, and Hibiscus sabdariffa, roselle or red hibiscus. Appearance. Hibiscus flowers are large, colorful, and trumpet-shaped with 5 or more petals. They come in various colors including red, pink, yellow, orange, purple, and white. Cultural significance. Hibiscus flowers have cultural significance in many countries and are often used in ceremonies, celebrations, and rituals. For example, in Hawaii, hibiscus is the state flower and symbolizes delicate beauty and sunshine. Uses. Hibiscus flowers have a variety of uses. They can be used to make herbal teas, jams, jellies, and sauces. Hibiscus extracts are also used in cosmetics, hair care products, and traditional medicine for their potential health benefits. Hibiscus tea, made from the dried calyces of the hibiscus flower, is rich in antioxidants and vitamin C. It is believed to have various health benefits, including lowering blood pressure, reducing cholesterol levels, and aiding in weight loss. Growing conditions. Hibiscus plants thrive in warm climates with plenty of sunlight. They prefer well-drained soil and regular watering. Tropical hibiscus varieties can be grown outdoors in warm climates year-round, while temperate varieties may need protection from frost. Propagation. Hibiscus plants can be propagated from seeds, cuttings, or by layering. They are relatively easy to propagate, and many gardeners enjoy growing new plants from cuttings taken from mature specimens. Pests and diseases. Hibiscus plants can be susceptible to pests such as aphids, mealybugs, and whiteflies, as well as diseases like powdery mildew and leaf spot. Proper cultural practices, such as providing good air circulation and avoiding overwatering, can help prevent these problems. Overall, hibiscus is a beautiful and versatile plant with cultural, culinary, and medicinal significance worldwide.